In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar with ClickUp. We'll walk through this step by step so that by the end, your Outlook events and your ClickUp tasks can stay aligned without any manual copying or double checking. First, open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the list where you manage your tasks. In this example, we're starting from a list view that shows all tasks, but you can follow along from any list that makes sense for you. The important thing is that you're in the correct space and list where you want this integration available, and that you're logged into the right ClickUp account. Once you're in your list, look toward the top of the screen for the menu that contains additional options. Here, you'll see an option labeled More. Go ahead and click on that. This is where ClickUp keeps a lot of extra tools and integrations that aren't immediately visible on the main toolbar, so it's often the place you'll go when you want to connect ClickUp with another app. After clicking More, a panel or drop-down will open with several items. In that panel, look for the Integrations or Apps section. Depending on your version of ClickUp, this might appear as a tab, a category, or a specific option in the list. Click on that highlighted option to open the Integrations menu. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the Integrations page and not another settings area. Inside the Integrations view, you'll see a search bar or a grid of available apps. Type Outlook into the search bar if you don't see it right away. ClickUp will show you different Outlook-related integrations, including Outlook Calendar and sometimes Outlook Email and other options. For this tutorial, select Outlook Calendar. This is the integration that allows your calendar events and your ClickUp tasks to communicate with each other. When you click on Outlook Calendar, you'll be taken to a connection screen. Here you'll see a button labeled Connect. Click on Connect to start the process of linking your Outlook account with ClickUp. A new window or prompt will open, asking you to sign into your Outlook or Microsoft account and authorize access. Carefully fill in the required details in those prompts. Make sure you're using the correct Outlook account, especially if you have separate work and personal accounts. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant permission, and once you confirm, your Outlook calendar will be connected to ClickUp. From there, you'll be ready to manage your tasks and events in a more organized, synchronized way.